In this video, I will show you how you can use the filters for the Price Labelizer. So first of all, if you want to use the filters and the graph segments and graph single product sheets, what you need to do is enable the advanced graph setting in the config sheet. You do this by scrolling down to advanced graphs and you set this value to true. But please note that setting this true, it is a complex calculation and it may result in a timeout. If this happens, then set this setting again to false, because otherwise you will not run the script. And then if you have enabled it and the script runs, then what you can do is set the values of the filters. So how do these work? You have two segments or two overviews, one for graph single product and one for the graph segments. So for the graph single product, you can just look at the performance for that single product over time. And you do this by selecting the product ID from the value. Everything that you change here is directly reflected in the sheets for the graph segments and graph single product. This happens automatically. You don't need to run the script again. For the graph segments, the values are also retrieved from the product feed. And you can enable them one by one or multiple. If you enable multiple under status, by clicking the checkbox, then it will combine the filters. So it gets a filter 1 and filter 2 needs to be true. So it combines those data and every explanation of the filter is written after it. And that's everything you need to know about how you can use the filters in the spreadsheet and how they work.